And when I joined here in AIA, there is a program, the Next Gen Elite program. And ang daming support na nakuha with that program, from mentoring, from coaching, and transitioning from an employee setup into a business setup. Nung time na I was able to deliver a check to a client, no, na namatay yung kanyang spouse, doon ko nalaman na napaka-rewarding ng career na to is really the purpose kung bakit ka nandito. Helping people na hindi mo alam na in the future talagang ang laki ng contribution mo for them. Hindi lang ito trabaho, but a relationship na pwede mong ma-provide sa kanila in the long term. Stability and reputation. The number 2 is career development. Ang daming program, ang daming mentoring na free here in AIA. And then number 3 is the time flexibility. Ikaw yung gagawa ng timetable mo. Ikaw yung gagawa ng schedule mo. You join us here in AIA, dito nyo ma-realize na ang dami nyo matutulungan, and at the same time, you'll be able to reach also kung ano yung mga goals na tinatarget nyo for yourself.